investigating another collision involving a TTC bus. Just before 1:30 this morning, a bus struck a utility pole on Overy Boulevard at Thorncliffe Park Drive. There were 10 passengers on board at the time. None was hurt. Police say the driver is not suspected of being impaired, but he was taken to hospital for medical tests.
200 Ontario police officers have begun a 3-day journey on the foot